Good morning, everyone. Today is the day I fly from New York to California to start my journey to college. It's currently like 4:40 a.m. I only slept for like 40 minutes because I was packing all night. It still has not hit me that I'm leaving yet. Nothing makes sense to me right now. I'm very uncomfortable, just so confused. Anyways, let's head to the airport. We're at the airport.
Oh my god, Amber,
Monkey.
What, Ashley?
stop making fun of me.
We're boarding the flight right now. I cried so much saying bye to my dog, you have no idea. I keep crying thinking about it. Anyways,
You're
we're
gonna
about
see him again.
in November.
And he's gonna come up to you and then go to mom.
Yep, we're about to board this plane. We're on our way to Minneapolis. That's where our first layover is. And then we land in Santa Ana. I'm still so sad about my dog. Did you see the sun? Did you see the sun? It was so cool. In Minnesota time, it is 9:56 a.m. Go crazy. Our next flight leaves at like 11:45, and then we arrive in California at 1 o'clock California time. But there's a time difference, so like the flight's actually pretty long. You know how it is. I don't know if I mentioned this. Today is August 17th, Saturday, 2019. I'd be traveling. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. For the past like 2 days, I felt like I'm gonna throw up because I'm so nervous. When I first left my house this morning, I was feeling rather sad. I had to say goodbye to my dog, which was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. And I keep thinking about it and like crying again.
Had to say goodbye to my dog an hour ago and it was literal hell. I cannot explain how much that hurt. Holy shitted bruh, I am about to start screaming on this plane. Goodbye NY, hello CA. Bruh, give me my dog, I won't see him until November. I want to scream.
So this morning I was kind of like bad vibes. Like leaving my dog, kind of bad vibes. So this morning I left and I was like, what the hell? This is so sad, like I'm pissed. But then we left and when the plane took off, it looked so crazy. Obviously I'm gonna insert the video. You've already seen it. The sun broke through the clouds so crazily. Like everyone on the plane was like, oh my god. It looked so cool. After that I realized like, bruh, this is so cool. Like everything I'm doing right now is so cool. I'm so excited, honestly. Like nothing's really fazed me until like kind of right now. And it probably won't actually faze me until I'm at orientation. But like that takeoff was so pretty. And I was like, this is a dream right now. I'm living the goddamn dream. And I was like, this kind of represents my life right now. Breaking through the clouds, bright sunny sky, after lots of rain. Wow, go crazy. I miss my dog so much already. We'll catch you when we're on the next plane. Orange County, baby. How was your flight?
I slept.
Are you excited to be in California? Okay. Are you most looking forward to the beaches or the food or what? Okay, same. Definitely same. Yeah. Let's get it. We're going to get our baggage. We got this rental car. California.
Stinky poop, bruh.
What are you talking about?
We've arrived in Orange County. We're in a rental car right now until we pick up my car later that was shipped across the country with all my belongings in it. Hey Andrew, what's your impression of California so far?
Nice.
There's like so much stuff.
City, but not shit.
So right now we're just in Urban Outfitters.
Get me my skateboard. Check them out, man. New pickup. Men's 4.
Women aren't objects.
It's a mannequin.
Women are not objects.
Watch this.
Oh, buddy Andrew. Mullet boy.
Just a full bitch. You practically have a mullet.
No, I don't. Fish. Oopsies.
I know you guys are all tired, but let me get a picture of you guys. Stand right there, Andrew.
Burger.
Wait, now look at my donuts.
Wow, I want to smell it.
This one
It's kind of weird.
Why are you eating it so fast? How are you eating it that fast? Can you rate all 3 of these things out of 10?
This is like a 6 out of 10, 9 out of 10,
The burger? Okay.
8 out of 10.
Okay.
Maybe if they gave me a bigger straw.
Oh. Bruh. We're in the hotel now. We are in the first floor of the hotel, which is very interesting. I love the flavors. Basically, game plan is this video is just gonna be like my travel vlog. I move in on Tuesday. Today is Saturday. It's doing so good.
Where the fuck is the trash can, neighbor?
I don't know where the trash
I
is.
burnt my hand.
I'm feeling very optimistic.
Bullshit. Where's the trash can?
I'm feeling very optimistic about this whole trip right now. This morning, I was pretty upset about my goddamn dog.
How's there hair on her bed?
There's my car that got shipped. Picking it up from this random driveway. Yay! My stuff's still in my car. My dearest car, Dale. We got us some groceries for our stay. Pretty.
It's day 2.
We're in Newport Beach right now. We're going to meet our cousin who lives right outside of LA. She's driving down to meet us here, and we're gonna go get some brunch at Cafe Gratitude or something like that. So we'll see you when we get brunch.
So sunny and beautiful in California. That is perfect. That's adorable. Your mom.
Thanks, Ashley.
You're really beautiful. I'm just so relieved because my memory of LA when I was 16 was like.
Anyways, we just had our brunch. Truly delicious. Delicious.
Yay!
With cousin Lindsay. She was so nice.
She's so beautiful and nice.
Yeah.
I love Lindsay.
We love Lindsay. Anyways, now we're going to drive to the beach and we're meeting her there again. It's so pretty here.
It is beautiful here. It's already so beautiful.
I'm looking forward to when it's like autumn or like when it starts getting into fall
And when
months.
the leaves start changing.
When the leaves start changing,
when the
you know.
palm tree leaves start falling off.
And then the beaches are less packed, so I can go here on the weekends, have a good time, hopefully. Who knows what I'll actually end up doing, but
you go to Newport Beach or a different one?
I feel like this beach we're on right now is like a family beach, so I'd probably find one that's like more secluded,
true.
that I can be murdered on and no one would find my remains.
Fact.
You know what I'm saying?
I know what I'm
The
saying.
vibes.
I'm on those vibes.
You know those
myself
vibes.
dropping my phone in the ocean.
I know.
We just went to Press Juicery. We were at Irvine's Spectrum. We saw you here. Oh my god.
Juju.
She's so nice.
Yeah, you guys are so nice. I don't know what you mean. Look at her outfit. It's so good. She's killing it. Alrighty.
We met another viewer.
Hi.
Do you want to say your name?
I'm Annabella.
Yay. Oh my god, so fun. I love your shirt. That's so
Oh,
cute.
thank you.
Andrew just got this hat that he's wanted since like December. So happy for him.
And then we met some other girls. We forgot to get them in the vlog. But
Yeah, I forgot to tell
so
her.
nice.
But thank you, Sophia. It's so nice to meet you. No, Andrew.
This is a scam.
They're telling me to buy this because it's like so comfy. I kind of like it. We're now getting pho in Costa Mesa. Yep.
Comments you're gonna get, be like, can Andrew do chopstick?
It's day 3. Today's Monday, the day before I move in. So today we're gonna go walk around Chapman's campus and then we're gonna hopefully head to Laguna Beach. But first, before all of that, we're going to Earth Cafe for brunch. Ooh. Fit check. Not my best fit, but
yeah, that made sense.
your fit's on fire.
Andrew's fit
Your fit's on fire.
It's fire.
Alrighty, let's head out to Earth
And I can
Cafe.
put it in the back.
Andrew, will you eat this yogurt? Eat the yogurt. No! Andrew, what do you order?
What's ice cream? Stuffed French toast.
What's it stuffed with?
Nutella.
I got avocado toast and they put vegan cheese on it for some reason. My mother got Danish.
Oh my god.
Matt Stoney vibes. Only was wearing headbands.
36 slices of French toast.
Ashley's oatmeal came kind of late, so now they're giving us a free vegan cake.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Oh wait, Mom's taking a picture of me.
Turn it the other way because the raspberry looks pretty. Yeah, there you go.
Saying yeehaw. That cake is so good. So great. Trying to get an orange.
It's too high up. They can't
Give me an orange.
It's so close. Give me the water bottle. Give me the water bottle.
Where's the water? Oh, no, no, no.
Really good squat.
Oh my god, Ashley. There's like people from my school watching this.
Zero respect for nature.
Yeah, it's fine.
Demolishing the tree.
Look at these girls just watching us.
Have mom to do. I heard them say like, oh, they're gonna get it. I think that they're rooting for us. Oh, sorry, you're right. I got it.
And you bite into the orange.
Is this illegal?
No, people are like carving into the tree. I think that's like worse than us trying to get oranges from it.
I'm crying.
What would they say? I love this school already. That poor tree. You're so much more than that. You're beautiful and gay.
But most importantly, you're gay. Take a bite.
No! Ashley! No! Can I try it? Ew, this is covered in Andrew's saliva.
It's fine.
If you just like touch it, it just goes everywhere.
It's just squirtlings everywhere.
It's just
Don't get on my
squirtling
shirt.
everywhere.
Bend over.
Bruh. That's a good orange.
Yeah, I know.
Why is California like this?
Right? This is just so fun because there's a bunch of Chapman girls like meeting up with each other. Like, oh my god, we're all friends. Like, we're finally meeting. And then I'm like,
Let me smack
eating
an
these
orange out of the
oranges
tree.
next to them. It's so weird. I'm like, is this what college is gonna be like for me? Like, just slapping oranges while people make friends.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. I think you're good to turn off.
I found Pokemon here.
Wow.
Pokemon.
Chapman's so pretty. I'm dead right
Who
now.
copied a Pokemon and made him into a tree? Like what?
My dorm area has a beach volleyball court and a pool. Does your college have that, Ashley? Chapman is so pretty. I looked inside of my like dorm hall and it's pretty fun. I'm really excited. I'm genuinely like actually way more excited than I thought I'd be.
Really?
Yeah. Yay. So pretty. This is my favorite Beatles song. F-Y and I. My goodness. We've now left Laguna Beach and we're getting some pizza.
We got this vegan pizza with vegan sausage. You haven't eaten any pizzas, man. Yeah. That's kind of lit.
So where's the
Hey guys, I have it, hold on. Hello everyone, it's move-in day. I very luckily got to my dorm first, which means that I get to pick my bed first. I'm in a triple. So this is my dorm when it's all empty. Just to give you guys a nice little dorm tour. You walk in, there's a closet on the left, this bed, the AC conveniently blocking the entire room, this nice desk, microwave and fridge arrangement. This door opens to the bathroom, which if you turn on the light, makes a lot of noise. It's really spacious though. Do these open? Okay. These don't though. Nice little shelving above the toilet. And then this big bath and shower. And then you walk out. The middle bed is right here. My bed is to the right, and then there's a second closet here because we have the corner room. So they just put in 2 closets, which is pretty funky, pretty fresh. And the AC works really well, which is nice because I'm sweating to death right now. I got my little Chapman ID, which is super fun. The view from our dorm is really nice. Like, well, yeah, it's just trees, but pretty good to me, TBH. So now we're just gonna finish moving in the rest of my stuff, and then the rest of the day is orientation type stuff for me, and my family's just chilling. It's so bright because there's 2 windows. I'm so glad because I do love some nice light. I don't know if this dorm is technically bigger than the normal ones because this one is a corner room, but it feels bigger than I was expecting. And there's good lighting in here. My goodness. Hit the jackpot, am I right? So now we're gonna go head out and get more of our bags.
This is the best acai I've ever had.
From Blue Bowl. We're now moving in. We luckily got 2 carts, so that'll be a nice little walk. Thank you so much.
My hair to
Whoa!
Sorry, okay.
Hey, no knives.
Pizza!
Huh?
They have some.
No, it contains piss. It's not vegan. Did you know Coke turns yellow when it's left out in the sun. Like, I found a huge bottle of it on the side of the train track.
We're at some orientation family dinner now. It's outside. We're sitting at a table alone because no one wanted to chat with us. Just kidding, we sat.
There's so many empty tables.
There's so many empty tables, so everyone's like very sparsely
Yeah,
sitting.
if you just sat with someone's family, that'd be like kind of odd.
Wanna try some of my lemonade?
So far, this is pretty awkward. Moving in went pretty smoothly. Basically, our dinner was, we got vegan pasta and salad. Fire. Later, we have some like giant pep rally thing on the football field to be like, welcome to Chapman, like, haha, rah rah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hold up and show you guys what the rest of this whole family dinner thing looks like. Weird. Weird. Weird.
Go back!
No, wait. Okay, bye.